Okay, as you can see, I got a lot of tabs open at the top. Obviously, if you're going to be working in lots of different things on Chrome, you want them. So if you want a new tab, simple keyboard shortcut, Control and T. You can see you can do that as many times as you want. I'm just pressing Control and T on my keyboard instead of having to drag the mouse up here, click in here, get it right and whatever. Also, if you want to open a recently closed tab, you just press Control, Shift and T. Now I had this one open on YouTube before. Okay, maybe it's not the best example. Let me show you just to make sure we got that right. So let's say if I clicked on Google Drive here, you'd see it hasn't opened Google Drive yet, but okay, I close that tab. Let me just show you one more time. Control, Shift and T, and it opens the tab again. The beautiful thing about this as well, if you press the cross here to close Google Chrome and close it all, then actually you can do that when you open the new Chrome again, and it brings up all your browse, all your tabs from the last time. So I'll just show you. So I just closed it, it's all gone. It's my video editing stuff, forget that. See, Chrome isn't even open at this point, so I'll just open it again. I've probably got far too much in Chrome, so it takes forever to load. And it's got my standard ones. These are not the same. So if I press Control, Shift and T, here it is, magically back again. So there you go. If you think you've lost your tabs, you just press Control, Shift and T and they're there again. So you got Control and T, new tab, Control, Shift and T, open a recently closed tab. If you like that and you want more shortcuts on Google Chrome, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you want help with and I'll do my best to get back to you. Hope that was useful and I'll catch you again soon for more time-saving tech. Bye.